Hey everyone, Victoria back from Credit Fix Solutions with another great success story for one of our clients. Client ID 6172 for the record. Now this particular client, I signed her up and she had one court action for $14,025 on her credit file. Now she was working really hard in mining by herself, no partner, and the only finance option she had was unavailable because of this court action. Anyway, moving forward a few weeks later, we managed to remove the court action from her file, and the icing on the cake was that her score went up from 421 to 957. That's nearly 1,000. So if you do have a low credit score, you've got questions about your credit report, please get in touch. We offer free tips and tricks on how you can fix things yourself, the basic stuff. No need to pay a credit repair company to do that sort of thing. And also our free assessments on your credit report if we think it's something we might be able to help you fix. Thanks for listening.